Sharing with you my lesson learned that I learned from YouTube. So I publish more than 1,000 of videos across 4 channels. And this is actually my first channel that actually have my face, because I'm introvert, I'm afraid and shy to talk in front of the cameras. I don't have the confidence to talk with you. So I make a challenge, 30-day challenge series, where I just talk in front of the cameras because I want to feel that I want to have the confidence. I want to be related to you. I want to connect with you, because at the end of the day, my aim is to help you to grow your personal brand. I want you to become a better person in your life. And you probably watched it because you want to improve your life via YouTube. And I will tell you, most of you will start YouTube by thinking that you're just making videos and you find it making money through AdSense. And roughly speaking, and honestly, I'll tell you that from AdSense alone, within a year, I receive about $1,200 per year. It's not per month, and it's fluctuating every month. Sometimes up, sometimes down. It depends on the seasonal. There's a lot of factors into it. By the end of the day, I just want to focus on simplicity. Why I want to do that is because when I'm making my faceless YouTube channel, I need to edit those videos. And by saying edited, all videos need some editing right. But when you're making faceless YouTube content, you are actually having your own voice as your personal brand. And sometimes you might be wondering, is it the right word to choose? Is it the correct statements? How about the facts? There's a lot of things. And when I'm making faces with the channel, and just for one videos, I need to maybe a week of effort just to produce a video. Why is that? Because I need to think about the thumbnail, I need to think about the title, and I need to make some research into it, and ask ChatGPT, Cloud, and Gemini to make me a script, doing a voiceover because I don't trust the Level Lab right now. Because when you're just using AI voiceover because you're introverts, it actually will kill the momentum. Why is that? Because AI voiceover is not very powerful in the sense that it's going to not resonate with your audience. If I watch videos that have AI voiceover, I'll just click off. Because of what? Because to me, when I watch YouTube, I want to feel the authentic. I want to watch other people. I don't want to watch AI. So I use my own voice, and I need to record a lot of time just to ensure that I just speak the truth. I speak the correct way with the correct intonations. And then I need to edit those videos. I need to find the b-rolls, a lot of b-rolls. It's not just a b-roll, but a lot. Just imagine that there's a time frame that people call like, nowadays attention are short, right? So when you're making a faceless content, you need to actually change your visual. So for me, for my successful videos that I gain more than 100k views, it actually changed around 3 seconds. Every 3 seconds, it will change off visual, right? And because of that, if you're just making 10-minute videos, you're probably going to have more than 200 videos and more than 200 views. Sorry, I'm a normal human being. I make mistakes. And because of that, it's very time consuming. And then you need to focus on the visual edits, and then you need to focus on the sound effect, and then you need to focus on the color grading, and then you need to focus on a lot of things, the transitions. So it just consumes a lot of time. And I think that I just want to shift my entire brand to become just a person talking to the cameras. Because of what? Because I want to focus on simplicity. I want to focus on simplicity. Why? Because I think that at the end of the day, if I can just make a 10-minute video just by recording, and then use the simple editing tricks, and just upload my videos with the intention that my videos, they can help you, that's enough for me. Because at the end of the day, I just want to help you grow your personal brand to become so magnetic. And the way that people just listen towards you, people just understand whatever the things that I want to say. And that's what matters, isn't it? In this world, we are thinking that we need to be somebody. But in order for you to become somebody, you need to have those identities inside your head. And when you're first starting out, if you are choosing to using YouTube as your marketing arm for your business, for your career, for your personal brands, then you need to understand the algorithms. And regardless, whatever it is, even if you understand the algorithm, don't focus on the analytic when you're first starting out. Because the analytic will be based on the data. And when you're just first starting out and you publish around maybe 30 videos, YouTube can never guess correctly who is your target audience, who's going to resonate with you. And that's why people are making this mistake. People look into the analytic at the first glance without realizing that the data that they have is not from the ideal client profile that they actually want to seek, they actually want to get in touch, they actually want to deliver their message. And because of that, you might be thinking that your lower CTR is because of thumbnail, and then you keep changing your thumbnail. You might be thinking that your lower retention of your videos is because of your scripting, then you need to revise your script, and then you edit the videos over and again. But instead, what you need to do is actually don't focus on the analytic when you're first starting out. Just focus on improving yourself. Improving yourself. I have the problem of articulation of my ideas. And whenever I have this mindset that I want to make it very simple, it means that I just want to record 10-minute videos. And these 10-minute videos will just require maybe 3 minutes editing and then maybe 10 minutes of rendering. And after that, I will just optimize it and upload it. So within a day, I can just make maybe 7 videos. So it's very fun things to do, isn't it? But if you're looking into perfectionism, whether faceless or face contents, where you appear your face in front of the cameras, and you're looking into becoming the person that's going to inspire people, need to have flashy editing here and there, then you're not going to produce a lot of videos. YouTube is a content game. You need to understand this. Every social media is a content game. The person that have a lot of content will gain more authority in the space. And when people see that you have a lot of videos about what the thing that you want to talk about, especially when it comes to the thing that matters to you, the niche that you choose, the marketing role, the industry that you'll be in, if you have a lot of content around it, then people will trust you more, isn't it? And speaking about people, YouTube is actually having Gemini as their backbone of their algorithms. And Gemini will also be monitoring you. Gemini will also observe you whether you're consistent or not. And in order for you to become consistent, I'll tell you frankly, if you just post 1 video per week, then you will not be monetized in 3 months. I monetized all my faceless YouTube channel within 3 months because of what? Because I uploaded videos every single day without a miss. And I want to do the same with my personal brand where I just show out my face in the channel. And why I want to do that? Because I want to implement those kind of tricks. Because I want to see whether it's workable or not. And if it succeeds, I want to help a lot of people. I want to help a lot of people because I believe that if you understand the concept and fundamental and how to do it more simple, you can make money online. You can develop your personal brand you actually dream of. You can have the visibility that you want. You can sell a lot of things. And eventually that's what matters, isn't it? Because you want to develop yourself. And by the process of developing yourself, you actually want to make money. And making money online is not a scam. Because I've done it through my faceless YouTube channel. It's just that for this channel, I just want to show my face. Because I want to overcome my fears of talking to the cameras. And I believe that today, if I'm able to talk to you directly here in this video, that's me I succeed. And if you want to learn more, just subscribe to my channel and like.